This is the Industrial Engineering and Quality Control ninth experiment, that is redesign the given simple lever for best ergonomic aspect. So practical significance is in ergonomics, the human is part of the system and must be fully integrated into it at the design stage. Human requirements rather than secondary considerations and can be stated in general terms as requirements for first equipment that is unstable and safe. Second, task those are compatible with people's expectation, limitation and training. Third, an environment that is comfortable and appropriate for the task. Fourth, a system of a work organization that recognize people's social and economic needs. Now, the practical outcome is redesign the simple lever like gear shift, shifting lever, brake, clutch lever, foot lever for best ergonomic aspect. Now, the experiment setup is you have to plan an idea, you have to go through a product, you have to select one product, observe the design, and then think of an redevelopment. It's like a mini project in which you are studying the ergonomics for a comfortable posture to perform that task. So here we have first is we have to consult with the worker, then identify the hazards, assess the risk, then control the risk that would be short term or long term, then record the action, and then monitor and review. So this is the cycle that is to be followed in this experiment. It is like in this diagram we can see there is the factors that are to be considered, that is environmental, climate, light and noise, mental causes, responsibility, worries and conflict, disease and pain, nourishment, then intense and duration of mental and physical work, then monotony. Now here we have high, then sensation of fatigue, low, and then recovery. So this path is to be followed so that an perfect ergonomic posture is to be selected. Like the procedure to increase the efficiency, many industries are using this concept of ergonomics. The following things that can be improved in office is study like chair adjustable workstation, keyboard, input devices, monitor, wrist rest, foot rest, laptops. So this is to study any activity and to make improvement in the activities. Like the observation, here is an example, like we are studying the location of the lever, the gear lever. So here is the location, like this is in second column it is existing situation, in third column it is redesign suggested, and then justification. Now the parameters is like the where is the location of the lever, gear lever. So right now it is away from the dashboard. So redesign suggested is that this is ergonomics, that we are suggesting that it should be near the dashboard. So the justification is done. Now the second parameter is level with respect to driver seat. Would it should be upward or below? So if it is upward, it is not an inconvenient posture to shift the gear. So the below is the right one. Then the third is posture while shifting. Existing situation is awkward, and then relaxed one which we have redesigned. Fourth is mechanical stress, which is present and now it's absent. Then grip it's we have a power, means we have to use the power to suppose shift a gear from one gear to another. Now after redesigning, it is like in a pinch you can move it easily. Fifth one is button type, the knob type or push type, like in dashboard we know sometime it is a knob type and redesign nowadays it is push type. So which one is convenient is push type. Then the knob material steel, if it is okay, if the existing situation is okay and it is not producing any fatigue or stress, and everything is fine within worker or the driver, then the redesign suggestion will be same. No changes should be done. Now the conclusion is the redesigning the simple lever like gear shifting lever is done for the best ergonomics. It is basically the project which we perform during our academics, like we improve any system, the existing system, so that any worker or any person who is working on that machinery or in a system which should be optimized also, and it shouldn't not create any stress on the worker. So this is the basic outcome of this experiment that you should understand to make a system or a machine optimized.